In this session, we will learn about set. Set is a collection of elements without any duplicate values. And sets are unordered. That is, there is no sequence. As it was in lists, we had index, but in sets, we have no sequence. So they are unordered. Here we have a set that contains three elements. That is apple, orange, and mango. In this example, in the first example where we have apple, orange, apple, pear, four elements, that is not a set because apple repeated twice. So the second example where we have three elements, apple, orange, and pear, it's a set because there are no duplicate values. So the point to remember here about set is there are no duplicate values in set and sets are unordered. There is no sequence of set. Now let's write some coding example of sets. Okay, let's start by writing our first example. To create a set, we require a keyword set. As you can see, the IntelliSense is telling us about set. So we will just select it and then we will add two round brackets indicating that it's a function. So now we can give an argument. Let's suppose we give a string here ABC. Set treats every character in a string as a separate element. For example, in this string ABC, set will treat A as a separate element, B as a separate element, and C as a separate element. So the result of this set will be containing three elements. First one will be A, second one will be B, and third one will be C. Now to store the result of this set, we will create a variable and store the output of set in that. So I will name that variable first set. So I will just quickly print the variable first set and we will see the output. Print first set. As you can see in the output, it printed a set with three elements B, A, and C. And we know that sets are unordered, that there is no sequence in set. So it is without sequence. Now if I add a duplicate value in this set, let's see, in ABC I will add another two A's. So now I will run this code and see the output. As you can see, the output is still the same because it removed the duplicate values. This is the feature of set, that there are no duplicate values. The sets can be used to remove the duplicate values from large lists or strings. Now we will write in another example. We will name it second set, which is equal to set, and now we will give a list as an argument. So to make a list, we will add two brackets. First element will be apple, second is orange, third is banana. Okay, let's print the second set. As you can see, the output is a set with three elements banana, apple, and orange. And it is unordered. It placed banana at the first place, apple at the second, and orange at the third. So it do not follow any sequence. Now let's add a duplicate value in this list and see the output. So the element orange is repeated in the list. So now I will run it, and as you can see, it didn't included the second orange, and the sequence of list is changed. Apple is on the first index, banana is on the second, and orange is on the third, because set do not follow any indexes. It's random. That's all for this session. In the next session, we will learn about operations on set.